Physical fitness is the foundation to our firefighters' safety and ability to respond to emergency situations at the airport. That is why the Changi's Airport Emergency Services will be implementing a new fitness test to replace the Individual Physical Proficiency Test, IPPT. These two test circuits were designed, developed and tested by a team of scientists and researchers from Nanyang Technological University's Lee Kong Chian School of Medicine through interviews and data collection from the AES firefighters. The new Aviation Firefighter Fitness Test, or AFFT for short, consists of test circuits that are based on key tasks that an aviation firefighter will encounter in an aircraft crash situation. The tests replicate the movement, strength and endurance required of our firefighters for them to perform their rescue mission effectively, which is not achievable through the current IPPT regime. The first circuit is an assessment of the physical ability of our men to carry out the firefighting and rescue operations in an aircraft accident. To simulate the actual operating environment, our men will don the full firefighting personal protective equipment, PPE, prior to starting the test. The 6 events are hose carry, 40 kg sledge pull, ladder ascent with 14 kg sling load, ladder descent with 80 kg simulated casualty drag rescue, simulated stretcher carry with 40 kg trap bar. The hose carry is the first event. The event is a test of lower and upper body endurance strength of shoulders, biceps, lower back, core, quadriceps, hamstring and calf. The firefighter is required to carry 2 64mm hoses over a 60-meter distance, replicating the setting up the hoses for firefighting. The 40 kg sledge pull is the second event. The event is a test of muscular power using shoulders, biceps, lower back, core, quadriceps, hamstring and calf. The firefighter is required to pull a 40 kg sledge over a distance of 10 meters. The event replicates the movement required to pull a charged hose when attacking the fire. The ladder ascent with 14 kg sling load to a height of 4.75 meters is the third event. The event is a test of lower and upper body endurance strength of shoulders, biceps, upper and lower back, core, quadriceps and calf. This replicates the movement of carrying a charged hose up into the accident aircraft. The ladder descent with an 80 kg simulated casualty is the fourth event. The event is a test of lower and upper body endurance strength of shoulders, biceps, upper and lower back, core, quadriceps and calf. The event replicates evacuating an injured casualty from the accident aircraft using the ladder. The casualty drag rescue is the fifth event. The event is a test of lower and upper body endurance strength of core, upper and lower back, shoulders, biceps, hips, quadriceps and calf. In this event, the simulated casualty is left face up. The firefighter is to perform a backward drag over a distance of 16 meters. The event replicates moving the casualty to safety after being rescued. The sixth and last event is the carrying of 40 kg trap bar over a distance of 80 meters. The event is a test of lower and upper body endurance strength of lower back, core, shoulders, biceps, hips, quadriceps and calf. The event replicates a firefighter carrying the casualty on a stretcher to the Casualty Collection Area, CCA. At the completion of the sixth event, the firefighting fitness test circuit is completed. The Casualty Evacuation Fitness Test, CEFT, focuses on the endurance ability of our men. This circuit simulates conveying of stretchered casualties to the CCA after firefighting operations. A cycle in the test includes the firefighter carrying a 40 kg trap bar over a distance of 80 meters, following which he will then walk without load over the same distance. The test is completed upon the firefighter completing 6 cycles in a time of 30 minutes or less.